और एक पेंटिंग के साथ भी लो ना।
हाँ जी you caught me there. They will come in about 20 minutes.
Yeah, I need one picture for come here. Can you take a picture of us? Belly, come here. Belly. Sit on your belly. Wait, be careful. Okay, be careful. I'm holding it.
Right step.
What? Where's the hubby?
He's on his way.
नंबर पे काउंट पे
क्या है?
ऑन काउंटिंग
अकाउंट पे है बात करना।
He also had a show. He's coming straight from the office. Just get him fast.
हाय बेबी
Hey, baby, you're
Okay.
out.
दैट्स गुड स्माइल
Very good.
से चीज
2, 1, 2.
Like I'm with. Right. You're gonna have.
गुड टू सी यू करण। बड़ा मुश्किल होता है आपको कहीं देखना, क्या खास वजह?
सारा आरफीन खान। मैं एक्चुअली दो रीज़न्स की वजह से यहाँ पर आया हूँ। एक तो मेरी बीवी ने कहा है बिकॉज शी इज़ नॉट हियर, शी इज़ इन पूना, शी इज़ गॉट
I
अनदर इवेंट, शी सेड यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट। आई सेड व्हाट रिप्रेजेंट? सारा द फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड टू। और दूसरी बात ये कि मैंने मेरा एक भोपाल का ट्रिप था वो कैंसिल करवाया
Very good.
एंड आई स्पेशली केम आई सेड इफ आई एम हियर तो 3 बजे की टाइम है और सारा के लिए मैं 3 साढ़े 3 के पहले ही आ जाऊँगा। वही
और तीसरा रीजन मुझे पता है.
You know what? I'm very, very
Well-
proud of her. No, first, let me say the third reason. You say the fourth reason.
Okay, I'll do that.
Is that ये सारी paintings जो इसने बनाई ना, बस शौक से बनाई है. And then when you turn your passion or you turn what you love into profession, I think nothing better than that really. और इतनी मतलब इसने मुझे और विजय को करीबन 3-4 ऐसे horses की paintings गिफ्ट करते हैं because I love horses. मतलब मेरे खानदान में मतलब अगर बच्चे नहीं घोड़े पैदा हुए हैं.
I agree.
Yes.
I agree. अच्छा तो मैं फोर्थ रीज़न बता दी हूँ कि ये क्यों आया, क्योंकि मैंने टीचर को बोला टीचर अगर आप लोग में से कोई नहीं आएगा ना मैं तुम लोगों का नाम का सुपारी देने वाली हूँ.
तो नोइंग
Simple as that.
नोइंग सारा वो रसीली सुपारी दे देगी.
और सारा क्या इसके अलावा मैं प्लांट्स भी देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे पेंटिंग
जी.
के अलावा क्या उसका अगर कुछ थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन दैट?
See, ये यूनिक प्लांट्स है, ये एक्चुअली बॉन्साइज है एंड it's very very expensive. It starts from like I think 30,000 to 2,50,000 और इसको मेंटेन भी बहुत किया जाता है. प्लांट्स के बारे में एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट द एक्सपर्ट. सूजल इज़ फ्रॉम इंडो ग्रीन्स, उसके साथ मैं कर रही हूँ एग्जीबिशन. So she's gonna come. She's sorting out some other
But
work.
it's
But
so
yeah,
beautiful
it is
actually. You
very
know,
pretty.
डेकोरेशन के लिए मैंने एक बहुत पहले एक बॉन्साई देखा था बैनियन ट्री का जो है ना वो नीचे लटकते.
Amazing,
इट
right?
लुक्ड मतलब रियली जैसे फेरी टेल्स में होता है ना कि ऐसे छोटे से पूरा एकदम
Yeah.
ऐसा वो स्प्रेड हुआ बैनियन ट्री और नीचे उसकी वो शाखाएं
It's
लटक रही
like वो
है.
मिनिएचर झाड़ और कितना खूबसूरत. इट्स लाइक एन आर्ट पीस टू हैव. जैसे पेंटिंग इज लाइक अ लग्जरी टू हैव. इट्स लाइक बॉन्साई. ये
By the
art
way,
है.
by the way, you got this idea now. So, Divyanka Tripathi, you know
Yeah,
her, right?
yeah.
So she's a very dear friend. She also does painting. And I just, by the way, मैं ऐसे मैं बोला तू एग्जीबिशन करना. और जब सारा ने ये एग्जीबिशन किया मैंने ऐसा आइडिया आया कि I would immediately call and say, listen, Sarah has done an exhibition of what she loves. it's high time she does. So I think this will be an inspiration for a lot of people.
Yeah.
So a lot of people, like even
In fact, if I knew, we would have done it
one second,
together
one
also.
second. Yeah. So even Karan Singh Grover, he also paints
Really?
beautiful, you know, like different kind of painting, like really abstract and mosaic kind of paintings. And even he, I think during the pandemic only he had an exhibition, but he had to cancel it for some reason. But I'm really liking that all of my friends who are, यार मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं भी
पेंट करना चाहिए ना,
I think मैं भी
पेंट
शुरू
करना
कर
चाहिए
लेता
ना.
हूँ. मैं भी एग्जीबिशन रखने वाला हूँ भाई, तुम लोग ही क्यों रख रहे हो यार? Even I want to keep.
Let's do it.
सारा सलमान खान is also considered one of the fantastic painters.
Of course, of course.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे, आपकी इंस्पिरेशन कौन है?
एक्चुअली मैंने स्टार्ट किया, मेरे इंस्पिरेशन मेरे 2 घोड़े हैं जो लंदन में है. सो आई
अरे
लव
एक
हॉर्सेस.
घोड़ा ये रहा.
ये तीसरा. सो आई लव हॉर्सेस और बहुत मिस कर रही थी मैं लॉकडाउन में उनको. सो आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद अ हॉर्स पेंटिंग. इंस्पिरेशन तो बहुत है. आई मीन यू नो पिकासो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट एल्स, हु एल्स आई शुड डू.
man, that is deep.
I know, right? It's like
Rembrandt, Picasso, Da Vinci.
exactly.
Hi.
You cannot even get close to that. तो inspiration तो मतलब है, but हम अपने तरीके से जो अपना mind. I like horses and abstract. Abstract में it's all your imagination.
But I think you know artist खाली artist ऐसे नहीं कहलाता. Artist खाली actor नहीं होता है. Artist singer भी होता है.
Exactly.
Sketch भी करता है. Painting जैसे you know
course.
Salman bhai also when he's
Yeah.
an actor but he sketches, he sings.
Yeah.
You know you're an actor. You know you paint, you sketch. You know you
I
have
think it's just
so many different
creativity,
facets.
you know?
Exactly. So you know you're creative and that's what's being called an artist all about.
Exactly, because we create so many
Yeah.
characters in our mind. Imagine putting our creative.
मतलब वो क्या है ना,
thoughts.
वो सुर ताल है.
हाँ.
क्रिएटिविटी की सुर ताल है. बस
Exactly.
उसको आप एक्टिंग में ढाल दो या
या
आप
canvas में डाल
कैनवस
दो.
में डाल दो.
आखिरी सवाल आपसे, करण जैसी शख्सियत जब आती है, आपके काम को सराहती है, आपके साथ खड़ी रहती है,
Yes.
एज ए फ्रेंड, कितनी हौसला अफजाई होती है और बात कितनी दूर तक
बहुत.
जाती है?
आई मस्ट टेल यू कि द फर्स्ट पीपल जो पहले लोग थे जिसने मेरा पेंटिंग देखा था वो केवी और टीजे. तो इन्होंने मुझे बढ़ावा दिया. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इज वाओ इट्स अमेजिंग. एंड आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड कि वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट पीपल टू सी माय पेंटिंग्स. एंड इतनी अच्छी बातें उन्होंने मेरी पेंटिंग्स के लिए की कि आई रिमेंबर दैट डे टीजे इज लुकिंग एट माय हॉर्स. आई सेड, यू वांट इट? शी वाज लाइक, can I take it?
Don't cry, it's okay,
And
don't
I was like,
cry.
take it. I was so happy. I said, take it. I was so happy. A part of my painting is going and somebody is appreciating it. So yeah.
And my daughters
Definitely.
love horses too, so it runs in the family,
Wow.
in friendship, it runs everywhere. It just runs.
So now you have to come to London, huh?
Done. पहले ये एक काम करो, पहले बिकवा देते हैं सब कुछ.
Thanks, guys. Thank you so much.
Tell anything, Afi, that the comment person doesn't say.
Hi.
We have seen people coming in, including this art exhibition. How it's all started, especially
See,
how art.
Yeah, so Sarah's always been someone that wants to contribute to people's lives, wants to do something really meaningful. And sometimes the best way to do that is through expression, by art. And if you look at the paintings, all the paintings are about emotion, expression, be it the horse, be it the other paintings. And I think her gift is to say to people, go out there and express yourself in terms of helping people that cannot genuinely find help. I think subconsciously her meaning is that she wants to give people a voice. There are some people out there that don't have the ability to sustain life, money issues, challenges, and through this, hopefully they'll help people. That's the main thing.
It's a big deal. How do you see these days? Who told you about his hobbies? What was your reaction about it?
See, you know what? Normally art exhibitions are very. Normally where do I look? Okay. Normally art exhibitions are very difficult to handle because people come in and a lot of people don't understand art. But this is not about art really. It's about a contribution. It's about charity. It's about helping. It's about giving. So we're saying to people, take something beautiful in your house. Every time you look at it, you'll remember that you've made a contribution in someone's life. So it's a constant reminder for themselves as well.
Recently, on Kangana Ranaut, it went viral.
Okay.
What's your view? What take on the entire episode where Yamuna is involved in everything?
Okay, I don't really want to talk about that today, but I'll just give you a couple of lines. My intentions are not to say that she's a bad person, because who am I to say that? I'm not going to say that. But sometimes in my profession, I see people are going in a certain direction. They think the direction is good, but the consequences are bad, but the person who's going in that direction cannot see that. So I think there has to be a very clear outcome in her mind to know that the consequences of getting involved in certain things are not good. And that requires a coach. A coach is not to say that she's broken, I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is that the perspective definitely needs to be shifted. Otherwise, if you look at the consequences, if you keep doing what you're doing, you'll end up in a situation where you go to a dark space. And getting out of a dark space is very hard for people. So I'm not negating and saying that she's bad and she needs help mentally. I'm not saying that. I'm saying the direction she's headed in is definitely going to be in a dark space for her. There's no question about that.
Something out of the box, and it would be your choice. You all wish to answer it or say no comment. How Aryan is improving?
No comment whatsoever. Thank you.
it's hardly we'll see you. बहुत मुश्किल से नजर आती हैं आप और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ज़रूरी हो तो आप निकलते हैं. That's the reason behind it.
मैं ओनली वेरी स्पेशल पीपल के लिए निकलती हूँ.
Thank you so much.
Tell us
घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही
रास्ते में है उसका घर.
you know, जब ऐसे दिक्कत आके आप जब आपके काम को सराहते हैं तो कितनी हौसला होता है.
Sorry.
जब ऐसे दिक्कत आके आपके काम को सराहते हैं अप्रिशिएट करते हैं तो कितनी हौसला होता है.
सी सब बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब खुद के ट्रू फ्रेंड्स दिल से अप्रिशिएट करते हैं तो बस दैट्स डन. आई एम सक्सेसफुल.
You have seen so many paintings, even the plants over here, you know, a special plants, I would say. और आपको क्या अच्छा लगा?
मुझे सब कुछ अच्छा लगा और मैं हमेशा ये मानती हूँ कि सारा जो है मल्टी टैलेंटेड मल्टी फैसेटेड वुमन है. शी इज़ नॉट ओनली अ वंडरफुल एक्ट्रेस क्योंकि मैंने उसके साथ काम कर चुकी हूँ लव का है इंतज़ार में एंड शी इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर and I thought that's where it ends but with her that's never where it ends because over the years of knowing her अभी मैं ये देख रही हूँ कि उनके पास कितने टैलेंट हैं. हाथ में टैलेंट है ब्रश के साथ, मुंह में टैलेंट है मन के साथ और क्या बोलूँ मैं.
As long as I've been friends like you, that's all I care. The talent.
We've met all over the world. We've met at many
Exactly.
different times. You know, with her babies, without her babies, and so we have now got a very long relationship. And it's wonderful to see people, you know, coming into their own, doing different things. अलग-अलग चीज़ करते हैं because lockdown में हम सब बहुत innovative होने पड़े हैं.
Yeah,
We have
and
to-
Sony
we
made
have to
lovely
be-
cooking recipes जब भी lockdown हुआ था. I was like following it. मुझे देखना
lovely
है कि
recipes
क्या-
और lovely weight also put on किया अभी जो मैंने थोड़ा lose किया. So anyway, जो भी है, I and Sarah go back not a very long way. 2017 we met,
Yeah.
and now it's what 21, so 4 years. That's
Wow.
it. Only
Wow.
4 years we've known
But
each
we've
other.
only known
ऐसे
ऐसे
लगता
लगता
है
है
14 years हो गए.
I don't
Yeah.
know कितना टाइम हुआ है.
So
Matches.
Of course.
we really
Always.
bonded on set, and we'd worked together a lot in that series. So I think you just certain people you just bond with, you know.
Suniti, what happening on professional front? What happening on professional front?
अरे डोंट यू नो आप प्लीज आपके इस पूरे गूगल कीजिए आप.
Yeah, just Google it.
आपको मालूम पड़ेगा. आप मैं नहीं बोलूँगी प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट पे क्या हो रहे हैं. आप पढ़ लीजिए.
आप हमेशा अपने आप को बहुत अंडर एस्टिमेट करती है कि नहीं.
मैं अंडर बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ.
करना था तो मैंने कर
नहीं
लिया.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. आप धीरे धीरे आ जाएगा. पत्ते खोलेंगे.
If you can throw some light. आप क्या मानती भी है कि इसकी आप एक्सप्लोर करने का एक अलग पारी खेल रही हैं, एक अलग
देखिए प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट है, सामने है. जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ वो सामने है. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं आप गूगल
Of course,
कीजिए
yes.
या देख लीजिए या नेटफ्लिक्स खोलिए और बाकी भगवान के हाथ में है और क्या.
शादी का दौर चल रहा है. क्या
ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में
नहीं।
आंसर नहीं करती हूँ. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
So you have came here for this exhibition. So tell us something about this wonderful exhibition.
First, I'd like to tell you about the artist.
Yes.
She's a wonderful lady. I've met her. I've worked with her. I think she's a very nice human being. That's the most important thing. And I think when I was looking at the paintings, I kind of sensed that because when a person draws so much about the horse, the first feeling that stirs up is someone which is an animal that's really free, graceful, strong. At the same time has a lot of hidden mystery behind them, and that's exactly how Sarah is.
Yes,
You're right.
I think I'm shocked and amazed. Most of us kind of lost ourselves a little bit during the lockdown, but I think Sarah is one of those people who has found herself during the lockdown, and from her reels to her art to being a mom to two beautiful kids, I
Being
think
a mom, that's amazing.
she's really been one of those, icons of the lockdown, showing us all how to do it really well and in style. And I have to say, I love the horses, as I told you.
Yeah, you
I love the story of Black Beauty, and I've always had a soft spot for horses.
I'm gonna read that.
So,
You know, Rachel, funny you
spoke
should
to
say
my heart.
black. So I've got a question for the actual artist. You use a lot of black in your horses that I've
Yeah.
noticed. There's the
Yes.
outlines of black.
Yeah.
Does that symbolize something?
Yeah, I have a horse, Esmeralda, in London,
Oh wow.
and she's got that dark black and grey texture.
Oh, wow.
So whenever I draw a horse, I always miss her.
Beautiful.
In fact, I've named one of my paintings also Esmeralda.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So art plays always an important role in the human life.
Yes.
So what kind of role it plays in your life?
I think all of us here are artists. It's what we've kind of built our lives around, whether it's performance art or whether it is, actually putting pen to paper. I think all of us, our whole lives are built around that. It's expression
It's
of
who we are.
deeper human emotion. And yeah, if it wasn't for us, the world wouldn't be entertained, the world wouldn't know how to express itself. So I think we're blessed.
I mean, imagine you guys, I mean, all of us actors, we bring the character, we bring so many characters. That's an
Yes.
art.
Yes.
You know, obviously I bring it to my canvas, but
I also think she's an amazing actor. She's a very, very strong actor, and when I've worked with her, I've been very, very privileged to have done a lot of scenes with her. And she's somebody you learn a lot from as an actor.
once are you intense, Keith?
Thank you very much.
Oh, are
But
you?
I also must say that I wake up every day to a work of art and I look at my wife.
Oh,
She wakes up and she's
Very,
beautiful
very
person.
lucky, Keith.
I'm a lucky guy.
Very lucky.
you know that reel where they say, tell me you're a TV actor without telling me you're a TV actor? These lines
Rochelle, and keep one unique thing about her.
about Sarah.
So many things.
Oh my God, too many things. I think for me, especially on their show, when I first met Sarah, I was a little confused. I didn't know what her performance would be like, but she was the dark horse. We're talking about horses. She was the dark horse in that show. My
she
God,
did,
the
correct.
character, this was one of those negative characters that
You love.
in the end you wanted her to win. You totally believed that she was justified with all her craziness, and I think that's like the most amazing thing you can do as a performer.
Thank you so
I agree.
much.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
I think I agree with her. I think she's one character that you don't know, Sarah, is that she's. I think she's a very giving person. I think, from what I remember, every time there was either Azan or anything, you'd see her bringing out the best for her fellow actors and also the technical staff. Very generous with her giving, and I think these two ladies share that. Even Rochelle and I see that she's a very giving heart. So I think they bring a woman's nurturing side out beautifully. Both these women.
Somebody like Keith and Rochelle representing your persona, who you are. How proud you feel.
I really do,
How
you know.
emotional you get,
Forget about other people appreciating my art or taking the art or leaving the art. It's when your close friends tell you so much about you, you realize, oh really, oh that's so sweet, thank you. And to be honest, it's your true friends that will motivate you and inspire you. I mean, I wouldn't have put these paintings out if I was not inspired by my close people, my friends and family. So yes, I'm really touched by my friends, and thank you so much, you both
no.
coming here and actually encouraging this. I was so not wanting to do the exhibition actually. I'm like, no. I like
You
it
should,
within 4
I'm
walls.
so glad that you did. I think this is the best thing. And to add to what you said, they say that if you want to know a person truly, see how they treat their staff and their team.
Yeah.
And there's someone from her team who we have been working with recently, who shoots a lot of her stuff, and he was telling us that Sarah is such an amazing, generous, wonderful person to work with. And I said, okay, now that's the truth, because people who you work with, they really know you, and I think that is the best compliment.
हिंदी में दोनों लाइनें हिंदी में
मैं सिर्फ एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा कि मोहतरमा, आप कृपा करके रात को देर तक ना जागे रहें, जल्दी सोएं, क्योंकि जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ कि सारा कभी जल्दी सोती नहीं है, बहुत लेट सोती है, तो आप जल्दी सोया करें।
तो पेंटिंग कौन करेगा?
ये बात भी सही है।
मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहती हूँ
कि हम साथ मिलके काम करेंगे।
एग्जैक्टली नहीं, बट सारा एक बहुत ही क्रिएटिव, बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग इंडिविजुअल हो I don't know.
बोलिए।
लेकिन सबसे बेस्ट मुझे ये पसंद है कि शी इज़ वेरी लॉयल, शी इज़ अ ग्रेट फ्रेंड, एंड आई थिंक आजकल वो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आफ्टर लॉकडाउन वी रियलाइज कि लोग सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, रिलेशनशिप सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एंड सो थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ
And
गुड
so are
फ्रेंड.
these two. Keith and Rochelle are one of my true real friends. You remember we were speaking about it
Yes.
yesterday. And
Very much.
मुझे ज़्यादा friends नहीं है. Yes, I have lots of friends and lot of acquaintances. लेकिन जो बहुत close, जो बहुत करीबी सर्कल में आते हैं, ऑल्दो हम लोग ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, हम ज़्यादा मिलते नहीं हैं, बट दीज गाइज
म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट।
ट्रू।
दूर तक जाती है जब बात जब मैं कहूँ जब यू नो ये रिलेशनशिप आती है, आपके काम को सराहती है, आपके आर्ट को सराहती है, कितनी दूर तक बात जाती है, और हाउ प्राउड यू फील टू बी यू नो बी अ फ्रेंड ऑफ के दर्शन।
There's nothing more pride, you know, than to have two friends, or have at least two friends who are proud of you and who tell you, who motivate you.
I'm
You
sure
know,
you have a love person.
so no, but
हेलो हिंदी में
हाँ, हिंदी।
आप लोग का तो
मेरा वो हीरो
यार रुला दोगे यार, आप अपनी इमोशन कर दिया आपने सबको।
मेरे को 2-3 अच्छे फ्रेंड्स मिल जाए, मेरी लाइफ संवर गई।
ओहो
That's all I can say.
यस
इमोशनल जब आपको इस तरह से सराहा जाता है, मैं केत की रोशन की बात
लेकिन सच्चाई है सर, ये जो मैं बातें बोल रहा हूँ ये सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं है कैमरा पे। जहाँ तक मैंने इनके साथ काम किया, जब भी देखा है कि इन्होंने बहुत लोगों को दिल से चाहा है, उनका बहुत ख्याल रखा है अपने स्टाफ का, और उनको खाना देते थे। जब यू नो कोई भी फेस्टिवल होता था तो पूरा बुफे लगता था सारा के नाम से, तो मैंने देखा ये अपने स्टाफ का बहुत ख्याल रखती है।
Thank you so much.
Yes.
My God, I can't take so many compliments.
आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड, मैं ज़्यादा हिंदी में बात करूँ तो फिर ये इंटरव्यू जाएंगे नहीं।
सिर्फ आएंगे जाएंगे नहीं।
लेकिन हाँ, सारा तो इज़ वन ऑफ दोज ग्रेट पीपल टू वर्क विद। और हाँ, आज मैं इनकी यू नो क्रिएटिविटी से एंड हर आर्ट से मैं और सरप्राइज हो चुकी हूँ। मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया कि हम इतनी सुंदर, इतनी खूबसूरत पेंटिंग्स देखने वाली हूँ, और होपफुली आई विल बी एबल टू टेक वन होम विद मी एज वेल। सो थैंक यू, वेल डन सारा, कंग्रेट्स।
ये सोच के बोला करो जो आप बोलती हैं मैडम।
That's it now.
यारी दोस्ती में कुछ भी बोल देते हो आप।
That's it.
Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
जॉन माइक चालू करो।
I just want to say thank you to our team, and especially during pandemic times, we are, all of us are standing together. They supported us, all of them, and we could be better for them. And I think it's God's grace that we all are here together. We have opened one more BHK in Bangalore, and we are